banging. Deja fatigue. Shakamundu bamba. Deja fatigue. Serene Deborah. That's my mommy. Deja fatigue. Shaka digga. Back. Check bitch. So today, New Year's Day. My mommy transitioned on New Year's Day. She's gonna make sure we there. Breast cancer. So that's why I got the pink on today. So for my breast cancer bulls, man, I love a woman with breast cancer. I ain't even gonna I can't even express to you how sexy I find it. And that's in a great way because my mother, she had breast cancer for 12 years and never even told nobody. She dealt with it, rocked it like a trooper, even down to that last year of her life. I mean, we went to the doctor, and I'm taking it well right now. Do not do all this. What's the name? That went through a lot of praying, a lot of coaches showing you how to call out your ancestors. See, so that's why I'm able to be really, really, really calm. Because other than that, I be done jump to this damn phone going like, you know how your mama jump in the casket? I be done jump to the damn casket with this phone. Like, in fact, I'm about to jump in the anyway. Flashback. So, but yeah, my mom, man, the last year, like when we went to the doctor, and I spoke to the doctor myself, and she said, your mother got 6 months to live. And I was looking at her, you know, when somebody tell you it was like a TV scene shit, but I wasn't really like trying to hear you, like, oh, okay. And I'm looking at the lady like, yeah, all right, 6 months, huh? And 6 months. There was not bullshit. In 6 months, my mother was gone. Yeah, she was gone. Incredible woman. Even right down to the 6 months that she did have left, and we was exposed to some experiences that I remember. The cancer at one point, we had the seatbelt, but the cancer at one point had actually taken the breasts off, and I remember when I came to have breakfast with her one morning, and you know, me and my mom, we had a real, real close relationship. My mom was silly and I was silly too, as you can see. But and so we was just talking, something, then she just plopped like pow and showed it. I was like, it stunned me first because I'm like, Mom, I'm your son, kid. I'm really not trying. I haven't seen that breast since I was a little guy, but you know what I mean. I'm not trying to really look at my mom's nipples. If you don't, you know what I mean. And she's like, boy, whatever. But the cancer had eaten the breast away, so she was letting me know that, you know, breast cancer is real. It's pain. That pain is real. So if you out there, if you a sister out there, man, I'm praying for you. I commend you because I know it's real. I know it's real. And I seen it's real. I felt the pain. I seen it in the eyes. And some of y'all women, y'all taking it and you're dealing with relationships and you're still dealing with children and you're still dealing with life on a domestic level and you're dealing with life on a professional level and even on a spiritual level. So I understand where you're coming from, sisters. Breast cancer is real. That's why I'm rocking this pink today. In honor of my mama, Deborah Stewart Pearson, one of the greatest heroes to ever walk this earth. Dear Jeff to her, dear Jeff to teach all the mothers out there and all the daughters and all the aunts and all those people that's dealing with their breast cancer, that devil called breast cancer. Waftala na kula babin kuti fata huli salahina mina karedi yalao waspalana lena be a free time wahabla na costa feeding yalao. May Allah continue to heal you. May Allah continue to keep you and bring you comfort as you go through this. May diagnosis and that cure come to your way. Bless all those. I love a woman with breast cancer. I love you, Mom.